Hi everyone! Today, we are going to learn how to draw a knuckle joint step by step on a drawing sheet. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all upcoming tutorials. Without any further delay, let's get started. For this drawing, we will need a compass and a scale. According to the given dimensions, we need to draw two circles, one with a diameter of 76 millimeters and the other with a diameter of 38 millimeters. To draw a circle, we must first find its radius, which is half of the diameter. So, the radius of the first circle will be 38 millimeters, and the radius of the second circle will be 19 millimeters. Now, take the compass and set it to 38 millimeters using the scale, keeping one end at the 0 mark. Draw the first circle, then set the compass to 19 millimeters and draw the second circle using the same center point. Once the two circles are complete, draw a reference line from the center point of the circles, with a length of 184 millimeters. At the end of this line, draw a vertical line of 44 millimeters in length. The midpoint of this vertical line should coincide with the end point of the 184 millimeter reference line. Next, draw two horizontal straight lines from both ends of the 44 millimeter line, extending toward the larger circle. Now, from the end of the 184 millimeter line, draw another horizontal line of 38 millimeters. At the end of this line, draw a vertical line of 38 millimeters in length. From the same end point of the 184 millimeter line, draw a vertical line of 19 millimeters downward toward the x-axis and another vertical line of 19 millimeters upward toward the y-axis. Next, draw two horizontal lines from the end of the 38 millimeter vertical line, extending toward the left side. Now, mark 10 millimeters vertically from both ends of the 44 millimeter line, and from these points, draw vertical lines of 70 millimeters. Connect them properly to form the reference structure. After that, again mark 10 millimeters from the same points, and using your compass, draw arcs from these marks as shown in the sample drawing. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Once the arcs are complete, erase the rectangular corners to refine the shape. Finally, add all the dimensions and center lines as shown in the sample image to complete the knuckle joint drawing.